If summertime is chugging along and the fruit in the fruit bowl looks kind of like this, look, don't throw it away. Here's what we're going to do with it. We're going to come over here. We're going to turn this on. Now, technically, we're supposed to peel these, but what I figured out pretty quick is that this Ninja NeverClog juicer actually will take care of those orange peels for you. No problem. This thing has a tough motor. And then watch how satisfying the juice dump is here in just 1 second. Let's get a little juice going in there, and then watch. There's a little trap door you're going to open. And we have juice, pure orange juice. And the pulp comes right out the side. So if you don't know about it, this is the Ninja NeverClog juicer. This thing doesn't clog. It doesn't foam. You see how it uses the auger and the hard press in there? So that way it actually gets you just straight mechanical juicing. You don't have any foam that comes out with this like you do with a lot of juicers. This thing will actually double as a vegetable shredder, a cheese shredder. It's got a separate attachment with a cheese grater in it that will do cucumbers. It will do cheese. It will do whatever you need in the way of shredding, slicing vegetables. Look at that pure orange juice. Now, these are like not even good oranges. They're the oranges that have been sitting around so long, they're kind of hard and they would be almost impossible to peel. But you know they're still good on the inside, and they are. Even you can really put this thing through the paces and it is going to chew through that pulp every single time. I like to test stuff. If I'm going to recommend it to you guys, I like to really test it first. So let's check out the orange juice here. Jam it in there and look, we have pure, fresh, squeezed orange juice right here in the kitchen from oranges that didn't look good enough to eat and we're just about to get tossed. If you want to check out the Ninja NeverClog juicer, I'm going to put the link for it right down here in the video so you can. They're running some great deals on it right now. And this thing, because it's a 2-in-1, is definitely going to sell out. I'll link it for you right here.